I have found out that most people on this planet don't think. Real thinking is a rare thing. It rarely happens on earth. People feel, people react, people act, people talk. But most people don't think. And what people do is that they delegate their thinking to others. I'd like you to know that when you let other people do the thinking for you, you will deteriorate into a slave. Did you hear what I said? If you allow other people, whether in the name of religion, or in the name of school, or in the name of education, you let other people think for you, you will end up a victim of circumstances, a victim of manipulations, a victim of people's whims and caprices. God has given you a mind. God has given you a mind so you can think your own thoughts. God has given you a mind so you can reach your own conclusions. You should stop letting people think for you. You should start thinking for yourself. And you should learn to take advantage of the kind of ministry you belong to. Because this is a ministry that encourages you to do your own thinking. If you can't think in this ministry, then you're done for. Learn to think for yourself. And particularly when it comes to the things of the Spirit. I was talking to some people yesterday, and I let them know that it is only what you find out in the Word of God for yourself that is truly yours. Of course, somebody can be talking to you, somebody that can do it now, somebody can be talking to you, but your mind must be engaged. Your own faculties must be engaged so you can make your own discoveries. Because it is what you find out for yourself that belongs to you. It is what you see in the Word of God that belongs to you. Nobody can show you anything. You have to use your eyes to look, to observe, to see. You have to use your mind to think, to grasp the truth. You have to use your heart. There is an eye in your heart to be able to see. So it's very important you pay attention to that.